Before you even pick up a tape measure for your door opening, there are a few key things you need to figure out first. Start with traffic. How many people are going in and out of this door every day? That's going to directly impact what type of door you need. Next is size and function. Will a single door work here, or does this space need to have a double door to improve flow? Then you've got code requirements. Does this opening need to be fire rated? And for exterior doors, are there wind or weather ratings that you have to meet? All of those decisions come before anything else because they don't just influence a door you order, they can actually change the size and requirements of the opening itself. So once all of that is figured out, let's walk through how to properly measure the rough opening.
We need your trusty tape measure, and then we start taking our measurements. We want to measure our width, about 37 inches on the width, and also, let's see what I have on the height, 82 on the height. So what that does, that gives me exactly a 3068 opening, because a 30 door is 36 inches. When you add extra for the frame, you want to make sure you have an inch to inch and a half on the width to do that. So we want to make sure that we have it here, but you also want to measure at the bottom, and then you also want to measure at the top. And when you do that, what you do is you take your shortest measurement. That's the most important thing, because if you get too tight in one area or another, it'll make it to where your frame won't fit right. And that gives me 82 inches on both sides. So that gives me a full 6'8" door, because your door is 80 inches. You add 2 inches for the frame, that gives me 82. So it'll cover your sheetrock. It'll do that on both sides. Now the most important thing is to make sure that you measure your wall thickness as well, because if you don't have the right frame, the right wrap around it, your depth, then you can be in trouble on that as well. So what we want to do is we want to measure the thickness. I've got a 5-inch there. So what we'll do is we'll use a 5 7/8 frame with a 4 7/8 throat. Or it's actually a 5 3/4 with a 4 7/8. What it does, it'll slide, it'll give you a good tight compression fit, and get in there, and then you'll put your screws on the sides, put your plate at the bottom to help give you the right measurement. And after that, you're going to have the right width, the right height, and that's how you measure a rough opening.
Keep in mind, even a perfect measurement won't matter if the door wasn't specified correctly from the start. Traffic, size, fire rating, exterior exposure, all of that has to be determined before you even measure. If you're not 100% confident you got both parts right, that's where we can help. We'll make sure you get the right door specified and that it fits your opening the first time.